What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check plagiarism on Grammarly Premium. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Grammarly or you can type in app.grammarly.com. After typing, you will be redirected to this page wherein on the left side you will see the sign up button or you will see the sign up button at the top on the right. Simply sign up with your email, password, and the credentials to create your Grammarly account. Now, when you come to the home page of the account, you need to create a document. But if you already have a document, you can open your recent documents. Now, after coming here on the right side, as you can see, check for AI and text and plagiarism. Click on this option, and then from here, when you have the premium version of Grammarly, it will show you all the reports of your AI text and plagiarism. So from here, you can just simply click on Get Pro, and then you can see all the Grammarly plans. These are the premium plans of Grammarly. You can pause the video and check all the features of this premium feature. And if you want a free alternate for AI text and plagiarism checking, you just need to download this plagiarism checker extension to your browser. Just go to Chrome Web Store and then on the search bar, click on Plagiarism Checker. And after that, click on Add to your browser. And after that, here at the top, this puzzle-like icon, when you click on it, this is the extensions icon. Your extension will be available here. So just click it once to activate it. And when you have activated it, just simply select the text that you want to get checked. And when you just check it, you will see the option of plagiarism checking and AI text checking. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.